Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Toyota Tundra key fob. First, locate the small notch or slot on the side of your key fob. This is usually near where the key ring attaches. Next, insert a small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this opening. With a gentle twist, you can carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be sure to do this slowly to avoid damaging the casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the internal components and the battery. Take a moment to note which way the old battery is facing, usually with the positive side up. Then, using a small flathead screwdriver or a similar tool, gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. It should pop out with minimal effort. Be careful not to damage any surrounding circuitry during this step. Now it's time to install the new battery. For many Tundra key fobs, you will need a CR 2016 coin battery. Always confirm the correct battery type for your specific fob by checking the old one. Make sure the positive side, often marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards as you insert it. Gently press the new battery into its slot until it sits securely. Double-check its orientation before closing the fob. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, test your key fob's functionality by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle. This simple process should restore full power to your remote, ensuring reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.